What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy OkayBeez, and we back with another shoe creator video. And y'all clicked on this specific video because you want to learn how to make these shoes I got right here on the screen right now. Say less. I just want to let it be known that each and every day I plan on dropping one shoe video. So if it's something you want to see, any suggestions, be sure to leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to knock that out for y'all. Also, like, subscribe, and turn on them notifications so you don't miss a video when I upload it. We're on our way to 3K subscribers and we getting really close, and that's the goal we're trying to reach, man. But I'm gonna just leave it at that right there, and we're gonna go ahead and get to this little, you feel me?